Raydium today did something crazy because they literally launched their own copy of Pump.Fun. So they launched LaunchLab. And as you can see, this is a very, very easy way right now on Raydium to launch your own meme coin. But it's not as good as it looks like, because you might think, oh, this is new. This is going to be such a crazy hype. And a lot of people are going to be on Raydium right now. And a lot of people will be buying meme coins on Raydium. Well, I want to tell the truth about this, because you can see right here on Photon, Raydium Launchpad. If you are going to look at all the meme coins that are being launched on Raydium Launchpad right now, you can see that the market caps are just as bad as meme coins on Pump.Fun. So it maybe looks like a very sick new opportunity, a new thing that got released. You know, that's usually how things happen. People get all excited. But if you're going to launch tokens on Raydium LaunchLab, it's basically going to be completely the same as Pump.Fun, because as you can see, the market caps from all newly launched meme coins on the LaunchLab from Raydium, you can literally see, look, I'm just going to show you guys the proof, that all the meme coins are basically not doing anything. There's only a few above 5k market cap, and the rest is just 3k and underneath it. And this is just standard liquidity, guys. This is just the standard where it starts from. So this is not even real money. And this is the exact same thing that's happening with Pump.Fun. Like, all the meme coins on Pump.Fun have the exact same problem. So if you want to make money launching meme coins now on Pump.Fun or on the newly launched LaunchLab from Raydium, it's not gonna work. There is just, it's people are just not buying meme coins anymore on these standard things. But as you can see, if you go to Raydium, the standard Raydium DEX, you can still see that there's not that much competition. I have made previous videos about this, but as you can see, there's meme coins being launched, not that many, and the meme coins that are being launched are going to usually pretty high market caps. And of course, there are some that are really low and don't do anything, but most of the meme coins on Raydium, on the DEX of Raydium that get launched, are going to crazy market caps. So how does this work? So you can go to coinfast.fun and you can go and create your own token right here. You can also copy trending tokens from Pump.Fun. So all the trending tokens, if we go to the advanced tab, about to graduate, all these meme coins right here that are doing really well, you can basically copy them and launch them on Raydium before Pump.Fun graduates them to Raydium. But here's the secret now. As you can see, we have LaunchLab, and what you can do now is all the trending tokens from LaunchLab. So if you can do this, market cap, you will see a lot of, well, not a lot, but you can see a few meme coins that are doing really well, you know, on Raydium, on the LaunchLab. So what you can basically do is you can copy these coins, but this is just all fake. Like, this is just one person, or the dev even, that bought it all up and no one is buying. So what you can do is you can copy these meme coins that are doing well, and you can launch them on Coinfast. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to create token. For example, this one is doing really well. So we're just gonna copy this. For the token name, you're gonna do this, and the token symbol, you're gonna have this. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna save this image. The next thing is you're gonna upload it. You're gonna keep this as it is. You don't have to put any description of the token. You can leave all this empty. You can turn this off. And it's very important that you keep all of these three on. They are already on, so you don't have to do anything. If you press it, it's being unselected. So just leave it on, because it's important that all of these three revoke options of your meme coin are not being adjusted in any way, because otherwise people will not buy your meme coin. Then you will press create token, then you will press confirm. And now your token has been created. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna copy the token address. You're gonna create liquidity. You're gonna paste it in here. And for the symbol, you need to just go back to Coinfast, and you can see it right here. You're gonna copy the name, and you're gonna copy the symbol. You're gonna add the user token. You're gonna press it, maximum. You're gonna do 900 million. I have 8 Solana in my wallet right now, but for example, the more Solana you put in the liquidity pool in the beginning, the better. And you cannot lose this Solana, so you cannot lose this money, because it's basically that you are the first person who is buying the meme coin. So for this example, I will put in 4 Solana, but if you have less Solana, you can do that as well. It's no problem. For the fee tier, we're going to have 2%, and then we're going to initialize the liquidity pool. As you can see, we will transfer this amount of Solana, and we're going to confirm it, and then we will give 900 million of our tokens into the liquidity pool. Now the pool has been created. So as you can see, our token has been launched on the actual Raydium DEX. So this is really important, because as you can see, there's not even that much meme coins being launched there. So this is one of the few ways where we will have a really low competition and a really high chance of getting a lot of buyers. Because as you can see, the Raydium LaunchPad already has tons and tons of meme coins being created. And these 3 market caps are doing well, but most of the market caps of these coins don't do anything, and you will not make any money at all. So we're just gonna go back to the normal Raydium DEX. And as you can see, after my meme coin has been created, there's not even another meme coin. And we already got buyers, actually. That's funny. You see, we already got some buyers, some volume. So as you can see, only now, after 1 minute, another meme coin has been created. So there's way less competition. Still, after a lot of people already know about this, there's still so much money to be made about all this. And by the way, this video is all for educational purposes only. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go back to CoinFast, and we're gonna click on create. Oh no, sorry, we're gonna go to portfolio. So you can basically go to manage liquidity as well. And then you will go to the exact same thing. You have to connect your wallet. You're gonna press on standard, and now you just have to wait until the liquidity pool shows up, because this can take some time. So as you can see, we had transactions, already 14 transactions in total, and we got some people who sold, but that's not any problem, because we will get a lot more buyers soon. Because what I have been doing recently, guys, is I just copy the token address. You can do that right here. You can go to DexHack, because on DexScreener.com there's all these meme coins also being launched. So if you press a token and you're gonna paste it, you will see actually this is the token I just created. So if you want to advertise this token for free on Dex Screener, you can go to dexhack.fun and you can insert the token address, and you can press on promote token. And now for free, your token will get promoted on Dex Screener. So as you can see, our token is going to be promoted on Dex Screener. So that's very nice. Now we can close this website, and we just have to wait now until more buyers are going to come in, because now, we just have to wait until people are going to see our token on Dex Screener. And for now, I'm just going to show you guys this screen. So I will just wait until there's more buyers. In the meantime, I will keep refreshing the Raydium liquidity pool on the other screen. So if that shows up, I will show you guys how the rest of this process works. So just a quick update, guys. As you can see, we have some buyers, and we're doing really well, because we have 28 transactions in total, and our market cap, here it's 1.9k. So if we go look back, we can see the liquidity is at 1.9k as well. So this is really nice. If I go to Raydium and refresh it, as you can see, it showed up. So we can pull the liquidity if we want, but of course this is only for educational purposes only. But let's see what's happening if we can do that now. If we do this, we will get 7.2 Solana back. I'm not going to do that yet, because I highly believe that we still have the promotion going on, and that we still can get a lot of new buyers into this coin. So I will wait just a few minutes. So as you can see, we got some new buyers as well, and we also got just a quick sell. I highly believe that this is a really good moment to get the liquidity out. So if we're gonna remove the liquidity, we get 9.3 Solana back if we press confirm. And then if we're gonna look in our wallet, we can see some magic happening. And we just can see that we just got a lot of Solana back. So this is really nice. This is what I'm always doing, guys. This method is waterproof. It really works really well, but this is only for educational purposes. So this is, of course, this is all fake, but this is all I'm gonna say about it. Don't fall into the hype of new things happening. So for example, this new LaunchLab, it's full shit. It doesn't work to make money. You can even better go to an online casino and play blackjack, for example. You can see on my other previous videos that I have had success with this method that I just showed you guys again and again, and I just showed you guys again the live proof.